everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Plymouth Township. This one's special. This is a 2,000 square foot ranch located in a highly sought after Trailwood sub, just a short walk away to downtown Plymouth. Come on, let's check this one out. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful brick Trailwood ranch. Stay tuned to the end of this for a sub-highlight video. If you have any questions about this home, don't hesitate to reach out, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one. Welcome to Trailwood of Plymouth. I'm Robert Yoder with HomeCraft. Since 1998, our team and I have been helping people buy and sell homes. In 2012, I decided to move my family here to Trailwood of Plymouth. We love the ability to walk downtown Plymouth to the amazing parks and the schools. With many different style homes, including ranches, colonials, and quad level, there are over 500 homes that make up this community. Trailwood is part of the award-winning Plymouth-Canton School system. Walkable to both Bird and Smith Elementary Schools and West Middle School, this is a perfect place to call home. Trailwood also offers many sub-wide special events, an active community Facebook page, and natural common areas. One of the best features is how walkable this sub is to downtown Plymouth, where you will find amazing shops, restaurants, and parks. With sidewalks the entire way, you will get to enjoy all the benefits of the downtown area with the lower Plymouth Township taxes. Let's check out what else you'll find just a short walk from Trailwood of Plymouth. If you want more details on this amazing community, you can visit trailwoodsub.com or text or call 734-329-0123.